Today I'm going to show you how to test a spark on an outboard motor. This is the most handy thing you'll ever have for testing spark on an outboard. Show you how it works. Here's an even road. This end bit connects into the spark plug socket right there, and this is an extra cap which connects straight to the spark plug. That's it. And this, it connects to here like this. So that when you use a pull cord, coils produce spark. And obviously this one's working perfectly well. It blows up a red if there is spark, sorry, and will indicate any problems you may have. So my advice, if you can't see, if your old spark plugs don't work very well, get one of these. They'll work, and you can test if you got good spark. Thanks for watching. Sorry, Brian bought this for about £7 off the internet. Really nice tool to have. Everyone should have them. They work for cars, these outboards, any engine really. So, thanks for watching.